I'm going to tell you one major reason why I personally believe that your ads have not been converting. If you're running ads and you've not been getting the kind of result that you desire, then just sit with me. Let me explore to you the major reason why I believe your ads have not been converting. If this is the first time visiting my channel, I say a very big welcome to you. Please click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this channel so that we can be giving you more update on how to scale your brand online. If you're already a subscriber, then I say big welcome back. So let's dive into it. I'm going to share with you one major reason why your ads have not been converting. You target the right set of people, you use high quality content, and you've been able to run different kinds of ads, but yet you find out that you are not getting the kind of results which you desire from Facebook. Before I proceed, I'm going to tell you a little story. Let's take for instance that you want to buy a skincare product. You want to buy it via a physical store. When you get to the store, you enter the store and then you discover that that shop or the store is not well organized. Like everything is scattered. The environment is not well knitted and is not well kept. So what are you going to do? Will you sit down and wait for them to tidy up the environment? Or you're going to go to the next store, the competition, and then buy from them? Yeah, many of you will likely go over to your competition and buy from them, especially if it was the first time you are going to that store. In your mind, you'll be like, wow, this place is very scattered, very unkept, very littered, so I can't possibly want to buy from them. These people, however, do not value me enough for me to give them my money. If they value me enough, they are going to keep their store intact. This is the same thing happening to many businesses online. I was on a one-on-one consultation with a client of mine. During the consultation, she told me that she has run ads, people will make inquiry, but nobody's going to buy. Then I asked her, assuming you are a buyer and you go to your page with the way your page is, are you going to buy from yourself? Let's be honest, are you going to buy from yourself? So I took two different pages, her competition's page and her page, and I placed them together. And I said, now can you take a look at this and see the difference and the mistake which you are making? I had to open her up to so many things that she was doing wrongly. When you run ads and people come to your page, the first thing they want to check is how well is your page organized. You can't keep posting buy, and you can't keep posting low quality content, or you post anyhow type of content and expect people to buy from you. It really doesn't work out that way. So you need to take out time and organize your page in a manner that when your ideal customer, when your prospect, when your target audience come to the page, they don't want to think any other thing aside from doing business with you. Get your profile picture well organized. Make sure that your bio is highly written, detailing how you can help them solve whatever kind of problem they are currently experiencing. Ensure that your highlight cover are well knitted and arranged in such a way that people can be able to find whatever they're looking for in that highlight cover. And also the type of content also matters if you want people to buy from you. So like I asked my client, and I'm going to ask you this same question: if you are a prospect or you are an ideal customer, will you buy from your page? Okay, so you have to look at your page as a customer. Are you going to buy from it? If you'd like me to help you go through your page and then tell you the things you are doing wrong and how you can be able to adjust it so that your ads can begin to convert, I'm going to drop a link in the description. When you click on that link, it's going to take you straight up to our WhatsApp. You're going to audit your page so that you begin to get the right set of people finding you and doing business with you. This service is worth 7,500 naira. However, if you are coming from this YouTube channel, you are going to get a huge discount. So all you need to pay is just 3,500 naira. So that will help you audit your page and tell the things you are going to change so that you can begin to close in more sales than before. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also click on the share and the like button so that more people can be able to see it.